Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ISR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement today. Not only that, but you look down here at the volume, and another good solid volume type day. Yesterday, in the past really kind of couple of days, the price and volume have picked up some. So certainly a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. First level of support is what I would call the ideal area, meaning, hey Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up above 64 cents. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 64, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the bulls can somehow manage to stay up above that 64-cent mark, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. But again, by no means is it any sort of must hold or anything like that. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as that line and the price stays above it, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, no doubt about it. Yeah, staying above 64, like I said, would be great, but grand scheme of it all, stay above that purple line and the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as things stand right now, top priority that the bulls need to fight through, right up there at 67 cents. So 67 will be the next key level to keep an eye on going forward. Like I said, the bulls tried a couple of days or a couple of times today to get through it. Couldn't quite do it. So that was certainly public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, keep on building higher bases and just sit back and enjoy the overall move. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.